Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Suzuki GSX-S750, and you've probably already guessed, yes, it's a 750cc. It's an inline four that produces about 110, 112 brake horsepower. It's a mid-range sports naked, really nice looking thing. You know, plenty of top end grunt for a bike of this size, really easy to ride and get on with. Yeah, really nice bit of kit. Great value for money actually when these came out and were new. This particular one's a 69 plate. It's registered in 2020, so obviously it's a 2020 on the logbook. Covered just under 10,000 miles. It's in really nice condition. Plenty of service history, all the original owner's manuals and stuff like that as well. So 17-inch wheels. This particular one is fitted with Metzeler Rotec tyres. These would have been an aftermarket option. Front's in good condition, rear will be replaced before the bike goes. 310mm wavy discs. You've got Nissan 4-pot radially mounted calipers with ABS. Really good sure-footed front end with upside down forks as well. The bike's in relatively standard condition. There's a couple of nice aftermarket extras. It's finished in a metallic white with like a blue fleck in it, which is really cool and very reminiscent of Suzuki's traditional colour scheme. You've got the R&G crash protectors there. You get a belly pan as standard on these bikes, and it's also fitted with some GB Racing mock carbon fibre engine case protectors. Up at the top and the front, we've got some bar end mirrors. These are a decent quality item. You know, I would argue that they probably look better than the standard ones. Probably less functional, but it depends whether you want function over form. You could return it back to standard and put standard mirrors on if you wanted to, but I think, you know, it looks really cool. It looks the part. Cosmetically, this is a really clean and tidy bike. Naturally, it's a used bike, so you're going to find the usual signs of wear and tear, but on the whole, there are no major marks, scratches, dings or dents on this bike really to mention. If I do spot anything as we go, I will point them out. At the back, we've got an aftermarket carbon fibre Lextek exhaust. Looks and sounds the part. Really nice bit of kit. Removes a little bit of weight from the back end, but mainly enhances the looks. We've got an unknown, but I believe R&G tail tidy on the back as well, just to tidy that back end up. From a rider's perspective, a relatively sporty position in terms of the seat height relative to the bars. The bars are quite flat. You're still going to arch your back a little bit, but nowhere near as much as say a sports bike. And from a pillion perspective, you're sitting a little bit higher than the rider, but actually the drop between the pillion seat and pegs is quite high, so a relatively nice comfy seat position. Around the front, it's all very standard. You've got bulbed headlights, side lights and indicators. Could maybe do with a fly screen on the front of this, maybe would enhance the looks a little bit. And on this side it's all very much the same. Again, you've got the R&G crash protectors, the GB Racing mock carbon fibre, engine case protectors there, standard chain and sprockets, standard gearing, all in good condition, but they do get inspectors as part of our pre-delivery inspection, so if we did find anything that needed replacing, repairing, we would obviously do that. Bike comes with all the original keys, like I said, the owner's manuals and service book. I believe this bike will be due an annual service just before it goes. You've got a fully digital dash, not TFT, but fully digital, gives you all the information you need. This bike was one of the facelift models, so it does come with the mode selection here as well on the left-hand handlebar. That helps you to tame some of the power if you're riding in the wet or if you're a relatively new rider, and that in turn changes the traction control settings just here as well. So on the dash layout, obviously you've got your rev counter across the top, traction control settings and temperature. You've got gear position here, speed, clock, mileage 9,940, and then you've got a fuel gauge with some MPG stats and range and stuff like that there as well. Let's give it a start up for you. I'm just going to pull the clutch in. Really nice crisp throttle response, really lovely sound. It's not obnoxious actually, so I think your neighbours will be fine if you are going out on the bike early in the morning. This bike's going to come with a 3-month warranty. It will also come with free delivery within England and Wales. We do deliver to Scotland for a small charge, and of course we take part exchange, offer finance and so on and so forth. If you're interested in the bike, or if you've got any questions and you want to reach out, please feel free to do so. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. Pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you got, or feel free to drop in and try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.